how to delete a Facebook page permanently and provide full guide. Simply open your Facebook and switch account to Facebook page, like and select this page. Okay, press on three line showing it to settings and privacy, and you get settings. Scroll down, you get access and control option. Just open this, showing it to delete page. Select and continue. Select any region, like I'm select this. Click on to continue. Continue, and you just enter your Facebook password. Press on done to continue. And finally press on to delete page, then successfully delete your Facebook page permanently.